Hey, what's up, my people? How are you today? My dear friends, listeners, subscribers all around the world. I remain my humble self, Adetokunbo Mike from the Genius Surface. I'm here to show you the evidence to prove the strategy I posted yesterday. And here on gold, firstly, let me show you the history. Here on gold, I took this entry as earlier this morning, 38.95. Okay, now let me show you where I pulled this trigger this morning. Okay, this is gold, guys. This is gold, and then we enter this gold immediately when we realize that there is crossover around this angle. We took this entry, I mean right from here, when we realize the crossover of this CCI 1000 cross moving average 7 and then moving average 14, also cross the middle band. That's why we enter this strategy right from here when we realize there is a breakout of this fractal. Okay, we're actually supposed to enter right from here, but we miss the signal. I mean right from here immediately after the breakout of the parabolic, but we miss the signal. Now I took this entry. The first entry took right from here, and the second entry from here. Here is the second entry that is giving us already 120 pips. I mean this one. Okay, I've already closed one earlier when I got 500 pips straight up. As you can see, the date and then the time. I closed it just now before I do the video. Okay, now again let me show you Euro USD. Okay, this Euro USD, when we realize the crossover occur right from this place, right from here, there is crossover of the CCI 1000, cross the middle band, cross the line in yellow, that's number 7, and then cross number 14. That is when we realize that it is time for us to enter the market. We pull the trigger from here, and then we put our stop loss here. I'm going to be adjusting this stop loss now, but after the video. As you can see, our target is about to be met. This strategy is a banger. Let me show you what I use once again. Like I said earlier on, okay, I changed something here. Before yesterday, I used 3 moving averages. Let me unblock it from your view. This is the 3 moving averages while crossing each other, but I changed I removed the moving averages today for better clarification. So I leave only parabolic SAR and fractal. That's what I used to enter this entry. And again this morning I block stochastic oscillator. I block all these ones to leave only this one. Okay, so we use only commodity, China index, Bollinger Bands, moving average, and also moving out. This is only what we use. Okay, so let me show you. If you watched yesterday's video, I can show you. I show all the settings from the video, and here is the settings for the CCI. There's no level. Level is none. As you can see, the level is none. Then you click save. Then you go again to Bollinger Band 25. Use Bollinger Band 25. Deviation is 2.000. You apply to first indicator data. No level. As you can see, no level. Then you click done. Then the next one is moving averages. We use moving average 7. As you can see, shift is 0. You apply method to sample first indicator data, then no level. You click done. As you can see, and then you another moving averages. Okay, that's 14. Moving average 14, 0, simple, and then first indicator data. Then you click save. Guys, your chart will look like this. This is how it will look like. I want you to focus on these indicator windows. Okay, we are dealing with the crossover of the blue line, that's the CR line, then the yellow, the red, and then the middle band of the Bollinger Bands. Okay, this is a banger. If you know how to use this strategy very well, it will give you a lot of profit as far as I'm concerned. Thanks for listening. I remain my humble self at Detokunbo Mike. As you can see, the target is about to be met because we target 50 pips at Euro USD, and then we target 150 pips at gold after we made 530 pips earlier this morning. You can see the date earlier this morning. This is today is 10th. Today is 6th of October 2025. As you can see. Thank you very much. God bless you. Real good. Bye.